after the hot day in Pamulake, so we were heading to Fitier, which was a couple of hours from the place we were driving, and we made a couple of stops, like rest a bit before heading to our hotel in Fitier. Another hotel, different tour, like you saw it, guys. So this is the bathroom, really nice stuff, like always. Mirror. So the bed and the view. I have the view on the and we even have the balcony. On that sign there.
Okay. Okay. Can you do?
No. Crap, my friend. I make good price, not good price.
Give me some more.
1 minute. Yes.
Give me one more.
One more.
Yes. No. Same price.
Not bad. Like it.
I guess during the night will be cool here.
Yeah, because the light, set up the light for it.
There's another seafood restaurant we can go tonight.
Well,
I don't know, I will check. They recommend it because it's like Chinese style. So I didn't go for the.
so yeah.